going to chase after it. Vince going to try and make it to the goal. Skates around one, goes to the forehand, shoots and scores. Rebecca Vint does it all alone. Great work for the Soft. Banks it up and Erickson holds it in. Feathers one down low. It's knocked down by Broad. Loose puck, shot save, rebound, score. The Lions tie it up. It's Jocelyn Slattery. Get a step. Richards trying to get around. Horsaball goes to the goal. Forehand shot, save, rebound, score. It gets through. It gets through. The Colonials won. See if Richards gets his credit for it. Here's Broad with a shot and a score. Shoots it right around Pollock from the... Scott dumps it in. She heads off. Richards finds a loose puck. Tries to go to the backhand. Gets tangled up. Collius shoots and scores. Collius finishes the job. Got a turnover. Colonials right to the goal. Goes gun and scores. Or was it Scott?
It was Caitlin Scott, I believe. For the Colonials is a bounce back, if you will, from a 3-game losing streak.